welcome back to my channel. Thank you to Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Luisa sent over some jewelry that I've been absolutely loving. The packaging arrived very well packaged with attention to detail. The earrings arrived packaged in a holder box, and the necklaces came in a very nice cloth pouch as such. Ana Luisa offers affordable luxury jewelry pieces starting at only $39. The pieces are unique and they have something to fit everyone's style. They offer earrings, bracelets, necklaces, rings, and so much more. They offer styles in solid gold and gold dip options as well. They are tarnish free, hypoallergenic, water resistant, and they offer a 2-year warranty on all pieces. They also offer diamond pieces as well. The quality is unmatched and long lasting. Ana Luisa offers super fast shipping within the US and affordable options everywhere else. So don't forget to click the link in the description box below to place your order at analuisa.com. Okay guys, so these are the pieces that I'm wearing. These are 2 necklaces that come as a set. This is called the coin set. I absolutely love it. I feel like these pieces suit my skin tone very well. And these are also close-ups of the earring as well. These are the huggy hoops. These earrings come in small, medium, and large, and the ones that I'm wearing right now are the medium. They are so comfortable. 2 of the things that I love about this brand is that the pieces are hypoallergenic. So if you have irritation in your ears from wearing posts that aren't hypoallergenic, these won't bother your ears, meaning that you can get a long-lasting wear out of these. They are so comfortable. I've actually fell asleep in these earrings quite a few times and I didn't even know that I was wearing them. Another thing that I absolutely like is that they have a 2-year warranty on all of their pieces. So if they tarnish, which they will not, or if you have an issue with them, they are backed by their 2-year warranty. Okay guys, so let's get into this hair portion of the video. I'm going to be giving you my review on the Miche Beauty Tropical Oasis Hair Gel. I know I'm late to this gel, but here it is. And look up there, look who decided to join us as a guest appearance on our show today. Yes, it's a gray hair. They say if you pluck them that they come back in 2, so we're just gonna let her do her thing up there. So first I'm going to spray my hair with a little bit of water. You don't want it super damp, but damp enough so that you have some moisture there. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tropical Oasis gel. The texture of this gel is almost like it's a cross between a gel and a custard. So it's kind of slimy, but it kind of gives you the feeling of having like a thicker gel. So it's kind of an even cross between the 2. So I'm starting with that much and I'm just going to rub it in first, and I'm going to use my hands to coil out my hair. So I'm going to go in circular motions all over with my hands. One thing that I like about this gel is the shine. Once my hair dries, you'll be able to see how much shine that this gel gives my hair. So you just want to coil your hair. If you prefer to use a tool to coil your hair out, that's fine too. I've done that in the past with this gel by using a sponge or even the rubber sponge. But you just want to go in circular motions until you get the curl pattern that you like. And as I'm coiling, you'll see some of the curls begin to clump up. So what I like to do is kind of pick it out with my fingertips. And if I see any bigger clumps, I'll just take that piece of hair in between my fingers and separate it and coil it separately. like so, like that. There's like a bigger clump, and I'm just going to separate it and then coil each piece around my fingers to separate the clump. This gel also has a lot of slip. So to all of my curlies out there who have longer hair and you like to have slip in your gel, this is it. And here I'm just gonna go in and kind of mold my edges down, or mold my sides down. I like to use the same gel that I use throughout my hair on my edges and sides as well. And there I'm just separating one of the bigger clumps and coiling it around my fingers. But as you can see, the gel defines the curls perfectly. The gel isn't sticky or tacky at all. It goes on easily and it smells amazing. And here is pretty much the finish. Look guys, the shine is giving, the curls are giving. I absolutely love this gel. The look came together quite nicely, so don't forget to click the link in the description box to go to analuisa.com to purchase your high quality jewelry today. And that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.